नमस्कार, समाचारों में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं नदीम अंसारी। जम्मू कश्मीर पर पाकिस्तान हर बार की तरह एक बार फिर अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर अलग थलग पड़ गया है। पाकिस्तान के नापाक मंसूबे एक बार फिर अटक गए। अनुच्छेद 370 पर भारत सरकार के फैसले के बाद पाकिस्तान इस मामले पर चर्चा के लिए संयुक्त राष्ट्र पहुंचा, लेकिन इस बार भी उसका दांव उल्टा पड़ गया। यूएनएससी में चर्चा को लेकर संयुक्त राष्ट्र में भारत के स्थायी दूत सैयद अकबरुद्दीन ने कहा कि अनुच्छेद 370 भारत का आंतरिक मामला है।
Our national position was and remains that matters related to Article 370 of the Indian Constitution are entirely an internal matter of India. These have no external ramifications. The recent decisions taken by the Government of India and our legislative bodies are intended to ensure that good governance is promoted, socio-economic development is enhanced for our people in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh.
सैयद अकबरुद्दीन ने कहा कि भारत किसी भी मसले का द्विपक्षीय बातचीत के जरिए हल चाहता है। उन्होंने कहा कि हिंसा किसी भी समस्या का हल नहीं हो सकती।
That terrorism is being fueled, language and incendiary talk of jihad is being mentioned by people who should know better. All of you are understanding of the situation here. I do not need to tell you what was the outcome of the closed consultations. You will yourself know about it. We stand ready to continue our efforts towards peaceful resolution of all issues in an atmosphere free of terror and violence.
सैयद अकबरुद्दीन ने कहा कि भारत ने दुनिया को बताया कि पाकिस्तान जिहाद के नाम पर आतंक फैला रहा है।
India remains committed to ensure that the situation there remains calm and peaceful. We are committed to all the agreements that we have signed on this issue. We note that there were some who tried to project an alarmist approach to the situation, which is far from the ground realities. Of particular concern is that one state is using terminology of jihad against and promoting violence in India, including by their leaders. Friends, violence is no solution to the problems that all of us face. And inconsistent with our previous position that all issues between India and Pakistan, as well as India and any other country, will be resolved bilaterally, peacefully, and in a manner that behoves normal interstate relations between countries.
उन्होंने कहा कि जम्मू कश्मीर पर लिए गए फैसले को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बिरादरी से समर्थन मिला है।
Secretary of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir announced a whole set of measures that the government is undertaking to move towards normalcy. We are gratified that the Security Council in its close consultations appreciated these efforts, acknowledged them, and indicated that this is the direction in which they would like the international community to move. We are committed to gradually removing all restrictions